Okay, we're going to go ahead and tie that big Thompson special. Fly takes a little bit over a minute to tie. The recipe's right in the beginning there, so we're just going to get started. We're going to go ahead and put our grizzly marabou tail on. I'm going to tie that right back, just above the barb. And we're going to grab our diamond braid. This one's rust. You can tie them in any color you want. They work great in a whole bunch of colors. It's probably one of our most popular color schemes here, so that's why I chose this one. If you've got a rotary vise, that's the time to use that function. And then we're just going to go ahead and grab our black mini pearl chenille, tie that in, and then we're basically making 1.5 wraps. I'm rotating it once, coming over the top on a half a turn there, and then you're going to whip finish. That's the Big Thompson special. Pretty quick, pretty easy. It's also in my book. You can go to WILEY'SFlies.com and ask us for questions about that, and you can buy all the materials on there as well. Thanks for watching.